Have you ever missed an important notification, watched your battery die way too fast, or wondered why your Samsung phone feels less smart than it should? The scary part is that most Samsung users never change these settings, and because of that, they're wasting battery, missing important alerts, and slowing down their phone every single day. So before you use your Samsung again, make sure these 4 settings are turned on. Let's get started.
Settings number 1, Intelligent Wi-Fi.
First, open your Samsung Galaxy device settings. Then tap on Connections. Then tap on Wi-Fi. And here tap the 3 dots or Intelligent Wi-Fi. Turn on. Turn Wi-Fi. On/off automatically. Most users leave Wi-Fi running all day without realizing how much battery it can waste. Samsung's intelligent Wi-Fi features can automatically manage this for you. Now your phone can automatically disable Wi-Fi when it's not needed and reduce power consumption when connected. That's free battery life with almost no effort.
Settings number 2, Notification History. First, open your Samsung Galaxy device settings. Then scroll down and find Notification. Then tap on Notification. Then tap on Advanced Settings. Here, tap on Notification History. Turn it on Notification History. Have you ever accidentally cleared a notification and then realized it was important? Maybe it was a text message, verification code, work update, or missed alert. Once it's gone, most people think it's gone forever. But Samsung has a hidden feature called Notification History. Now your phone will keep a record of recently dismissed notifications so you can always check what you missed. Trust me, this feature can save you from a lot of frustration. Settings number 3, Battery Protection. Battery health is one of the biggest reasons phones become slow after a few years. Charging to 100% every day can increase battery wear over time. Samsung gives you a built-in solution. Here's how to enable it. First, open your Samsung Galaxy device settings. Then tap on Battery. Then scroll down and find Battery Protection. Then tap on Battery Protection. Then turn it on. You can choose adaptive or maximum protection depending on your preference. This simple setting can help your battery stay healthier for much longer. Setting number 4, Contact Information on Lock Screen. Imagine you accidentally leave your phone in a taxi, restaurant, or shopping mall. Most people won't be able to unlock your phone to find out who it belongs to. But Samsung has a simple feature that can help an honest person return your phone. Here's how to set it up. First, open your Samsung Galaxy device settings. Then scroll down and find Lock Screen AOD. Then tap on Contact Information. Enter your phone number or an alternative contact number. Now, if someone finds your lost phone, they can see your contact information directly from the lock screen and reach you without unlocking the device. This small setting could be the difference between getting your phone back and losing it forever. If this video helped you, hit like, subscribe to Techload, and comment Samsung below so I know you're watching.